All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its state and worth it is. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge by devotion in their well-being and prosperity, along life, my happiness. Jai Hind.
National news is brought by Varun from VI Sapphires. International news. Portugal's Prime Minister Antonio Costa resigns over corruption investigation. National news. Trump lashes out from the witness stand as judge as he testifies. Thank you.
Today's state and sport news is brought to you by Jessica from Grade 6 Sapphire. State news. Telangana Assembly Election 2023. AIMIM announces its Jubilee Hills Assembly candidates. Sport news. The Big Show Asu Battler rewrites records in his historic knock. Thank you. Happy morning everyone. Today weather report is brought to you by Mokshalika from Grade 6 Sapphire. Weather report. Maximum temperature 34 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
Today's thought is brought to you by Shreya is from Grade 6 Sapphire. Thought. Happy is a man who makes a living by his hobby. Thank you. Everybody, my name is Tarun. Happy morning everybody. Today word is brought to you by Tarun of Grade 6 Sapphire. Word. Literature. It means books and write published on a subject. Friends, please spell after me. Literature. 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 Thank you. Have a good day. Facts is brought to you by Gautam from Grade 6 Sapphire. Fact number 1. Bats invade and find prey using echolocation. Fact number 2. Newborn babies cry but do not shed trees until they are about 1 month old. Fact number 3. Bananas are radioactive. Thank you.
Today's article is brought to you by Science from Grade 6 Sapphire. Article. Magnus Carlsen is a chess grandmaster. He was born on 13 November 1990. He is a 5-time world chess champion. He also held the #1 position in the FIDE World Chess Rankings. He also holds the record for the longest unbeaten streak at the elite level in classical chess. Thank you. GK questions is brought to you by CHL from Grade 6 Sapphire. Question for Grade 6. The branch of science which is called as central science. Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is chemistry. Let us wish you. Question for Grade 7. Electroscope was invented by. I'll repeat my question. Electroscope was invented by. Sorry, you did not pick the right answer and the answer is William Gilbert. Question for Grade 8. Calorimeter is an instrument used to measure. I repeat my question. Calorimeter is an instrument used to measure. Sorry, you did not pick the correct answer and the answer is heat. Question for Grade 9. Odometer is an instrument used to measure. Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is speed. Let us Appreciate them. Open question for all. Which is the second largest ocean in the world? Yes, you pick the correct answer, and the answer is Antarctic Ocean. Let us appreciate. Thank you.
A king had to choose his successor from amongst his 3 sons. He gave his sons some seeds. He told them the one who could grow a healthy plant would be the successor. After 6 months, the oldest son bought a plant which had borne a small fruits. The second son bought a plant that had blown lovely flowers. The third son apologized that he could not grow anything as the seeds received were died once. The king was overjoyed and said to the younger son that he had passed the test. The king said that he had given all of them their seeds, but the 2 were not honest. He was very happy with the honest son and announced him the successor. The moral of the story.
Honesty is the best policy.
Thank you.
nicely. Thank you. Have an amazing day. Question is brought to you by Gautam from grade 9. Question from grade 1. Who is known as Bapuji? I repeat my question. Who is known as Bapuji? Pick the right answer. And the answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Let us abstain. Question from grade 2. Who is known as Chakaji? You pick the right answer. And the answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Question from grade 3. When did we got republic? You pick the right answer, and the answer is January 26. Question from grade 4. Which was the first state to be formed on the basis of language? I repeat my question. Which was the first state to be formed on the basis of language? You did pick the right answer, and the answer is Andhra Pradesh. When do we celebrate National Constitution Day? 1949. You pick the right answer, and the answer is November 26 November. Let us is brought to you by Stranger of Grade 5 Hazel. State news. ECI wants randomization of police personnel before their development to polling station. Sports news. WC 2023 Rohit Sharma wins Feather of the Match medal after India's win over South Africa. Thank you. Have a wonderful Wednesday. Next, my friend will continue with this student is brought to you by SMEs of Grade 5 Hazel. Happy Father's Day. Today's international news. National news is brought to you by History of Grade 5 Hazel. International news. Nepal expected to totally revise to 150. National news. Delhi air pollution or even making regime cap to return after Deepavali. India successfully test fired Trident missile of Odisha coast. Thank you. Have a nice day. Next, my friend will continue. Happy morning to all. My name is K. Shishan from Grade 5 Hazel. Today, facts about chess is brought to you by K. Shishan from Grade 5 Hazel. Facts about chess. The longest chess game ever